Want a quick guide that walks you through the different steps to becoming a professional graphic designer? This class does just that by providing you with the resources and step-by-step plan on learning graphic design. I answer popular questions many students have, like do I need to be good at drawing to be a good designer? What equipment or software do I need to learn? What types of projects would I do each day? And do I need a formal degree to be successful as a graphic designer? We even talk specifics about equipment, cheaper software alternatives, and I give you an order of what to learn first. Learning graphic design can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but this quick class was designed to help you feel more confident and making this learning path easy, enjoyable, and totally possible.